Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this Zatarain's Jambalaya rice and Johnsonville Jalapeno Cheddar Sausage. So if you want to see how to make this dish, then just keep on watching. So here I have the sausage cooking on one side on medium-high for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it and cook it another 5 minutes. And here in the pot, I have 2.5 cups of water, the jambalaya mix, and 2 tablespoons of butter. We are going to let this come to a boil, and then we're going to lower it to low and cook for 30 minutes. Hey Alexa, set a timer, 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
Now it's time to flip the sausage and cook for the other 5 minutes. Now it's time to cut the sausage, and we're going to place it in with the pot of jambalaya and cook for the remaining 5 minutes. Yay, dinner served. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!